Welcome to the ultimate guide on open source intelligence, or OSINT. OSINT is the practice of gathering information from publicly available sources. It's not hacking, it's simply using the powerful tools the web provides, but with a highly focused and structured approach. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful, free OSINT tools you can use to responsibly map a digital footprint. 1. Username hunting. Namechk, what's my name? Where do you start an investigation? Often with a simple name or a known username. Tool 1. Namechk or what's my name? Purpose. The ultimate username sleuth. You type in a potential username, say, CyberSleuth20-5, and Namechk instantly checks its availability across hundreds of social media platforms and websites. Why it works? People are creatures of habit. They often reuse the same username on Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, and forums. A single hit can unlock an entire network of social profiles belonging to your target. Tip: always try variations, abbreviations, or known aliases. 2. Social media mapping. Social searcher hunting for profiles manually can take forever. You need a dedicated social media aggregator. Tool 2. Social Searcher Purpose, a real-time social media search engine. It lets you search for keywords, hashtags, or names across major social networks like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, often without even needing an account on those platforms. How to use it? Use quotation marks for precise name searches, for example, Jane Doe, and then filter the results by network, sentiment, or language. It's fantastic for seeing what a target is discussing publicly. Ethical note: remember, you are only viewing what the user has explicitly made public. 3. Breach verification. Have I been pwned? Let's talk about the dark side of the internet, data breaches. Tool 3. Have I been pwned? HIBP. Purpose: to check if any mail address or password has been compromised in a publicly disclosed data breach. The OSINT advantage: if you find a target's email address, HIBP can reveal where that email was compromised, like a specific gaming site or forum. This can give you invaluable context about their interests, habits, and the services they use. It's about more than passwords, it's about identity context. Self-defense. Use this tool on your own email addresses right now. 4. Advanced web searching. Google Dorks, the most powerful tool, is one you use every day, but you're probably only scratching the surface. Tool 4. Google Dorks or Advanced Search Operators. Purpose: hacking the Google search engine. Dorks are special commands that filter results to find information the regular search box can't. Key operators. Cite: limit your search to a specific website, e.g., site:/reddit.com. File type: find specific file types like PDFs or Excel sheets, e.g., file type doc. In title or in URL, search for keywords in the page title or URL. Example dork: if you're looking for a resume, you might search file type PDF John Smith resume. This is a crucial skill for any digital investigator. 5. Historical footprints. The Wayback Machine. Remember that embarrassing website or old blog post someone deleted years ago? The internet has an archive. Tool 5. The Wayback Machine opening archive.org. Purpose: a digital library that has preserved billions of web pages over time. It's a time machine for the internet. OSINT use. People often delete or drastically change their old social media accounts, company about us pages, or personal blogs. The Wayback Machine can retrieve these older versions, revealing past professional roles, deleted statements, or connections that are no longer public. The motto: the internet never forgets, but the Wayback Machine remembers more clearly. 6. File metadata analysis. ExifTool. Every photo you take with your smartphone contains hidden data known as metadata. And this can be a huge privacy risk. Tool 6. ExifTool Command Line or Online Viewer Purpose. A powerful tool for reading, writing, and editing metadata in virtually any file format, especially photos, EXIF data. The big reveal: for images, this metadata can expose the camera model, the date and time the photo was taken, and, crucially, GPS coordinates geotags. This means a seemingly harmless photo could reveal the exact location, down to a few meters, of where it was snapped. Warning: never upload a photo to an OSINT investigation that contains geotags of sensitive locations. 7. Reverse image search. Yandex, Google Lens. You have a photo of your target, but you don't know where it came from. Let's trace it back. Tool 7. Yandex Reverse Image Search and Google Lens. Purpose: instead of searching with text, you search with an image. You upload a photo, and the engine finds every other website on the internet that hosts that exact image or a very similar one. OSINT power. This is critical for identity verification. You can use it to find a person's other social media profiles, uncover the original source of a photo, detect if a profile is using a stock photo or a photo stolen from another person. Why Yandex? Many investigators prefer Yandex for its superior ability to find slightly altered or cropped versions of a face or image. 8. Domain and IP recon. DNSDumpster. An individual's digital life often includes their own website or blog. We can map their infrastructure. Tool 8. DNSDumpster. Purpose: a free domain research tool that maps an organization's or individual's digital network. The details: by entering a domain name, you can discover all its associated subdomains, mail servers, DNS records, and hosts. This information can reveal the structure of their web presence, other businesses they own, and services they use. It's like getting a structural blueprint of a person's online real estate. 9. Investigative framework. OSINT framework. As you master these individual tools, you need a way to organize your investigation. Tool 9. The OSINT framework. Purpose: it's not a tool itself, but a vast, interactive, web-based directory of OSINT resources, categorized by information type. How it helps? It helps you structure your investigation. Start with username, then move to email address, then documents. Each category links you directly to the best free tools for that specific task. It's the investigator's ultimate cheat sheet. 10. Digital Connection Builder. Maltego. See, finally, after gathering all this disparate data, usernames, emails, domains, you need to connect the dots. Tool 10. Maltego Community Edition. See, purpose: a powerful visual graph intelligence tool that connects various data points entities into a single, cohesive, easy-to-understand map. The magic: you start with one entity, like an email address, and run a transform to see if it's connected to a social media profile, a phone number, or a physical address. Maltego turns data into a story, revealing hidden relationships that simple list views would miss. The C version is a fantastic, free starting point for visual OSINT analysis. Conclusion: from Namechk to Maltego, these 10 free tools offer immense power to map a digital footprint. OSINT is a critical skill for cybersecurity, journalism, and personal safety. But remember the golden rule of OSINT: use your knowledge responsibly, ethically, and legally. Never use these tools for harassment, malicious intent, or to violate anyone's reasonable expectation of privacy. If you want to become a master digital investigator, the journey starts here. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cyber training, and let me know in the comments which tool you'll try first.